Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my usual content because I'm currently preparing for something truly exciting. An international competition called Grand Final Art. By the way, this is the biggest platform I ever have participated in, and it feels like a huge milestone in my artistic journey. So I want to take you behind the scenes of preparing to global competition and creating the presentation of your artwork, and show you how I crafted my presentation and navigated challenges along the way. If you ever be curious about what it's like to make your presentation to competition, let's go. So the first step is deciding on the painting to represent your work. Once you've chosen, you can start planning your video around it. For example, I had already filmed parts of the process while creating this piece and even uploaded video to my channel. So I knew I could reuse those clips to form the foundation of my presentation. Step 2. Structuring the video. The key to a strong video presentation is having a clear structure. Here is the outline I used, and you can find it linked in the video description for reference. First, introduction. Start by introducing yourself, share your name and the brief background to give the judges and audience context. Second, the story of painting. Use process footage or photos to talk about what inspired the piece, the emotions behind it, and the techniques you used. Let your audience connect to the story behind the art. Third, about me as an artist. Share what drives your creative journey, your values, what you aim to express through your work, and what makes your artistic voice unique. Closing words. Wrap up with heartfelt conclusion, thanking the judges and organizers, and you can even reinforcing why this painting is special to you. So next part of creating visual presentation, it is filming. First of all, prepare. Give yourself plenty of time for filming. Unexpected challenges like forgetting your lines or struggling to pronounce words, especially when you speak on not your native language. All can happen, trust me, I'll even include bloopers. Hi, ever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Greetings to all the Participants. Thank you. Focus on the artwork. Make sure to showcase the painting in detail. Use close-up shots to highlight textures, colors, and brushwork. If you got protos, photos, or promo clips, use them. If not, sit comfortably in front of the artwork and speak to the camera as if talking to a friend. Lighting and setup. Use natural light or soft studio lighting to avoid harsh shadows. Keep the background simple and clean to draw attention to your artwork. Step 3. Editing the video. Once you filmed everything, it's time to edit. I use DaVinci Resolve. It's free, versatile, and perfect to handling video effects and audio all in one place. If you're new to editing, don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials online. Step 4. Recording voiceovers. Like now I'm recording this voice. I recorded my voiceover directly in DaVinci Resolve. It's convenient and ensures everything stays in sync. But be prepared, recording audio can be just as time-consuming as filming, even with a script. There will be moments where you stumble over words or laugh at yourself, so factor in extra time for this step. Final touches. Once everything is ready, completing my final edits, render the video, and take a deep breath before sending it to the competition organizers. You've got it! Additional tips. Use an external microphone if possible, as it greatly improves the sound quietly. Test the audio levels before recording to avoid clipping or background noise. Engage the viewer. Speak naturally and warmly. Even if you're nervous, imagine you're chatting with a close friend. This will make your presentation feel authentic and relatable. Plan for breaks. Filming can be tiring, so take breaks to avoid rushing through important parts. So, creating a video presentation for an art competition is a journey in itself, but it's incredibly rewarding. It's not just about the final result. It's about sharing your story, your progress, and your passion with the world. Good luck with your own projects, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to more tips or have questions about video presentations or about preparing to competitions or about art competitions. So let's inspire each other to keep creating.